Just use the heart rate monitor twice a month, and it'll tell you what you're. So like, you have your training block, then you take an easy day, go to a track, and run 6 miles or 5 miles just flat, but do it at the target heart rate.
Right.
The next time you test that, you should get faster. That's it. So you could just go, I'm going to do whatever in my training, whatever you want to do. Hard, Mach 10, all the speed work you want, because people have all kinds of opinions on that. So, but you could do that test even just once a month. Yeah. And if you're not getting faster at the same heart rate, at the same track,
then you better go jump off the